3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
If your app store is missing on your iPhone, begin by checking if it has simply been removed from your home screen but remains accessible in the app library. To access the app library, swipe left on your home screen until you reach it. Use the search bar to look for App Store or browse through the categories. If you find it, press and hold the App Store icon, then select Add to Home Screen to restore it. If the App Store doesn't appear in the app library, the issue might be due to restrictions. Open the Settings app and navigate to Screen Time. From there, go to Content and Privacy Restrictions and ensure they are enabled. Next, select iTunes and App Store purchases, enter the required password if prompted, and set installing apps to allow. You can also choose to disable restrictions entirely by toggling off content and privacy restriction. After making these changes, return to your home screen, and the App Store should now be visible and functional. You can then reposition it wherever you'd like on your home screen.